my dear friends, my name is Tony. I'm a Chief Mentor and Course Developer in 1C, and now I'm going to review the Module 3 practical task. So in task 3.1 we need to automatically set the product prices if we sell less or more than 10 units of product, depending on quantity, and also we need to check if this price type is actually set in the register, and if it's not, we should display the message and cancel the posting or make it impossible. So now I'm going to show you the alternative way of performing this task. First of all, we move to the document form of our receipt order document. The whole thing will occur in this set all prices procedure. It is called when we select the counterparty. See, we select the counterparty, and after that we initiate this procedure. So first of all, we automatically set the quantity to 1 because it is impossible to post the document as the quantity is 0. We made this field required. This part we will actually need when we make a cumulative discount. This is the procedure that is responsible for cumulative discount. So this whole procedure, set all prices, is serves multiple purposes. Now to the more easy part. This common server procedure, it retrieves from the server the actual needed price. In that case, we need to send the product, the quantity, and to understand if we have the discount of selling more than 50 products. It is the task 3.3. Let's check this procedure. As you can see, in this procedure we create a structure. In this structure we have price type and actual price. We check if the quantity is less than 10. If it is, we get the regular price, and if it's more than 10, then we get the wholesale price, retail price and wholesale price. And if the exclusive price, if the discount is available, we get the exclusive price in that case. After that, we return this structure with prices. Cool. So now this part is responsible for checking if the price was actually set. So if you see that the price is undefined, the price was not set in the register, so in that case the price for the product is not set, and the posting is impossible. So how the posting is impossible? Let me tell you. As you can see, the prices are set for book, pen, and beginner's book. So we create an receipt order document. Select any counterparty, for example this one. We add a product, BST. No prices are set for BST. I don't know what this product is. We receive this message: sale price for the product is not set. And actually, because these fields should be filled automatically, price and price type automatically, and amount calculated by price over quantity, we cannot post the document because these fields are required. So it's not necessary to actually cancel posting, to go to the posting procedure to make the posting impossible. We just make the required fields, and now it is impossible to post the document because they can be filled manually. Cool. So now we move further. After that, when we understand that the prices are not undefined, we set the item prices and price type, we fill it, and after that, if this is exclusive price, we send actually the message to the user. We recalculate the amount and we recalculate totals. That's how it actually works. Any counterparty, book, here it is. Cool. Retail prices, I don't know, 11, and wholesale price was not set. Beginner's book, wholesale price was set. That's how it works. So in task 3.2 for expense invoice, we need to check if we have enough products in stock in our warehouses, and for expense order we have to check if the amount of money is enough to make the transaction. Okay, so everything is done in the posting procedure. We move to expense invoice object module. Here is the posting procedure. Here is the check. Yeah, we have created a new additional procedure for the purpose check. Let's see it. So here it is actually. Yeah, we send the product with the warehouse, the storage, the quantity we need actually. We execute the query and we check if this amount is enough or not. If it's not enough, we display the message that there is not enough product. That's actually very easy and can be performed in different ways. Maybe you can put check right in the posting procedure, it doesn't matter. But here is the actual check using a query. So we have already discussed it. 3.3 implementation of the cumulative discount. For receipt order document, if a counterparty has already purchased 50 or more units of a particular product during a calendar month, we will give him an exclusive price that should also be set in our register. Okay, what do we do here? As I have already mentioned, everything is performed in settled prices. The only thing we are interested in this actual procedure, additional procedure. As you can see, we sent counterparty, product, and our date. Let's go and check it. We see a query. So we check, yeah, we make a query to retrieve the number of purchased documents or purchased products during a calendar month. So this is begin and end of the month. We send the product, we send the counterparty, we execute the query, and we start counting. After we have counted how many particular product was purchased by this counterparty during this month, begin month, end month, we return this number to our settle prices procedure. Here we decide if we give this gentleman or this counterparty exclusive price or not. So we check if it is more or equal to 50, and we decide with discount true or false. If with discount is true, yeah. In other procedure we have already discussed it. Yeah, here get product prices. If exclusive price is set to true, yeah, we return their exclusive price, and here we set this exclusive price. And if it's actually exclusive price, we also message the following text to our counterparty. That's pretty easy. The next task is about backdating. We set a new flag that allows the backdating of documents. So if the flag is enabled, the backdating of documents should be prohibited with a relevant message. And if the backdating is allowed, we should cancel all the checks. And for receipt order document, when backdating, we should not allow posting in the sales register. That sounds pretty easy. Let's check how it's done. Well, first of all, we using the common module procedure retrieve the actual value of the constant. Yeah, because the flag is a constant and we should retrieve it. And judging on that value, we will decide if backdating is allowed or not. So let's move on. Here it is. So this is the check if backdating is allowed. And now about the actual checks that we have shown you. The checks are performed only when the document posting mode is in real time. It's kind of smooth, I suppose. That's for prohibiting backdating posting and canceling checks. I suppose using the same structure document posting mode, you can cancel posting into the sales document, so we are not going to show it because it's pretty simple. So now we go to the part 4 and start with part 4.1. Create a report showing the inventory balances in the warehouses. Group the products by warehouses. You should display the product name, warehouse storage, counterparty who sold you this particular product, as well as the purchase price. Add a filter by warehouse storage locations. Make it possible to display data for a specific period of time. Okay, this one is a little bit hard. Why? Let me show you. This is the products in stock register. We can see the product, the warehouse storage, and the quantity here. Nothing else, no counterparty and no price. So there are two recorders in this document. Document receipt, invoice, make records here. So here we can get the supplier, but we do not have the price. In that case, we need a connected document expense order. Yeah, here it is, and here we can get the price. So we need to get the information from the accumulation register, products in stock, then by recorder, we should find the receipt invoice document and take the supplier. Then, judging by this expense order document, we should find the expense order document and get the price here. Let's check it. So we go to the main data composition schema for this report and to the query itself. We are creating the query, the table, the main table. So we have two data sets. These data sets are pretty simple. In the second data set, that is much easier, we retrieve all the needed data from the products in stock. We receive the product, the quantity, and the warehouse. Cool. Here we retrieve all the additional data. We get the supplier, the price, the product, again the quantity, the warehouse storage, and the warehouse. Here we're starting to create the main table. Be very attentive. So our main table is products in stock register. We connect it to a receipt invoice document. Yes. Then we make a connection to the expense order document. On this attribute I have mentioned, you see, the expense order products list .ref to the expense order, and again we connect it to the accumulation register products in stock balance, and that's how we create this big table. We have some additional parameters here. We need to specify the products, the warehouse storage, and the warehouse, not to retrieve additional unnecessary data. Then we link these actual data sets. This is the main one with the balance. we link them by product and warehouse to retrieve the quantity. After that, no calculated fields, no resources, the parameter is one, it's the period. After that, we go here. The parameter is custom date, it's easy. The filter is the warehouse and it's set to quick access. We also order it by warehouse and warehouse storage. And in the end, we have such a report. Actually a very good one, I suppose. You can see the price and the supplier are added here by joins from the documents we need, from the invoice document and from the order documents. These tasks could be solved another way. I guess you have already done it. So this is our proposition for this task. So the last one is 4.2. This is an advanced report. Create a report that allows you to display the sales made to counterparties. Sounds easy. You should display the counterparty, the product sold, and the quantity of the products sold. Additionally, display the most popular products that this counterparty purchased. This is the most difficult part, actually, in all the task. This is the example how it can look like. This is the counterparty, this is his favorite product, this is the quantity of the favorite product, and this is the other products. As you can see, indeed, this is the most popular product for this counterparty. What is the difficulty? The difficulty is that we cannot actually using queries in 1C, just cut off the other lines in the table. We just can't. We can't retrieve the data and cut them off in the query. We can do it by processing the code on the server using 1C script. So how can we do it with the query? It's actually pretty hard, so please watch. First of all, we retrieved all we need from the accumulation register of sales, and we put it into the first virtual table. Now we are going to work with virtual tables. After that, we select only the max values of quantity and counterparty. So we retrieved from this virtual table only the counterparty and the maximum value of the product without the name of the product. We retrieve the counterparty and maximum value. After that, we put it into the second virtual table. In the third virtual table, we again connect these lines. We use distinct to retrieve only non-copied lines. And we retrieved from the joint virtual tables, we retrieved the counterparty, the product, because the product was joined by the number, you see, by the quantity, it was joined, the name of the product, and the quantity. That's how we retrieve the most popular product. And after that, we actually come back, we retrieve the counterparty from the sales accumulation register, the product, the quantity for all products, the most popular product, and the number of the most popular product. And we join the virtual table number 3, where we have received the most popular products and the actual accumulation register sales table. We join them via counterparty. That's how it works. As you can see, it worked. We received the counterparty and its favorite product. This database, you will receive it in module 4 for actually developing your module 4 tasks. So enjoy.